If you ask me, Jeffrey, would you like a cup of tea? And if I already have a cup of tea, I might say, no thank you, I have a cup of tea. Now, if I answered you in Te Reo Māori by saying, no thank you, he cup of tea, aho, well, I wouldn't be saying that I have a cup of tea, I'd be saying that I am a cup of tea. And, maybe I am. He cup of tea, aho, I am a cup of tea. I am a cup of tea. I am one with the universe and with cups of tea everywhere. But if I want to say that I have a cup of tea, I need to use a possessive. He cup of tea, taku. I have a cup of tea. And if I have more than one, because I'm thirsty, and actually I am, he cup of tea, aku. I have cups of tea. So the word for an older brother of a male is tuakana. And if I am an older brother to a male, I would say, he tuakana aho, I am an older sibling. But if I have an older brother, I would say, he tuakana taku. And if I have two older brothers, and I do, I would say, he tuakana aku. So firstly, the taku becomes aku because it's plural, but also tuakana becomes tuakana. And that's because tuakana is one of those words in Maori that relate to people or family relationships where the vowel is lengthened in the plural. So one wahine to wahine, one tangata to tangata. And so one tuakana, but several tuakana. So if I have a pen, he pene taku. If I have two pens, he pene aku. If she has a book, he puka puka tana. And if she has lots and lots of books, he puka puka ana. So I want to tell you about things that I have. Okay, so he roro heko taku, I have a computer. He waka taku, I have a car. He hoa aku, I have friends. He moinga taku, I have a bed. He potai aku, I have hats because I've got more than one. He waia taku, I have a phone. And if I think about my friend and what she's got, he kuri tana, she's got a dog. He tamariki ana, she has got children. He whare tawhito tana, she's got an old house. He rako ana, she's got trees. He hehe ana, she's got chickens. He puti puti ana, she's got flowers. And he ngeru ana, she's got cats. More than one.